Princess Auto. Tingin tayo ng mga tools. Okay. Itingnan natin to. Ito yung lug splitter. Lug splitter is 40 tons. Ang kanyang makina is 40cc. Of course, lug splitter. 3 grand. Expensive ba? Well, ito ay nahihila. Natotow ito. As you can see the end. Right there. Pwede mong ikabit sa hitch mo. Ito yung specs niya. You can ipopost yun na lang para mabasa ninyo. Ito yung English. So ito yung ihiga mo siya. Ito yung hydraulic to. Ihiga mo siya. Lalagay mo yung lug dito and ipupush niya to. Ito yung blade niya. Not very sharp. Not meant to be very sharp. Tama lang. Yung force niya, i-split niya yung lug. That's the whole idea. Imbis na magpalakol kayo, maganda to pag nasa liblib kayong lugar and you don't have to use manual muscle. The engine niya is about 1 gallon. And that's the engine size, 420cc overhead valve. Malabo na to sa akin, hindi ko na makita. Oh, ito nga pala. Interesado ako dito. Hindi to powered ng gas, it's electric. 15 amp, although mataas-taas yan. Cheaper shredder. Alam niyo kung bakit ako interesado dito? Kasi nagko-compose ako tuwing fall. Pag nag-cut ako ng mga perennials ko, nilagay ko sa compost pile ko. Kung masya-shred ko sila, it'll be better. Mabilis silang mag-breakdown. Once na ma-shred mo siya dito, ito yung blade niya nasa loob, it goes down here, saka mo siya kukunin pag napuno yung bin, idadampo sa compost bin mo, sa compost pile mo. It's maneuverable. Mukhang maganda pero it's unknown name earthwise. Very simple on and off switch. Maybe that's the reset button. Ito yung plug niya. Kung kukuha ka nito, kailangan malaki yung gauge nyo, mataas. Maybe 10 gauge para sigurado, para ma-able niyang ma-carry yung high voltage. Looks nice. Very nice. Of course, may tiller na rin ako. I don't need tiller anymore. Gas powered, battery powered. I got the best tiller, in my opinion. Okay, let's move on to the next. Hindi ko alam kung merong Princess Auto dyan sa lugar ninyo, JTB, Joby. Pero kung meron, napakaganda. Mas maganda pa ito minsan sa Kalilintar. Kaya I hope meron kayo kasi mga mura dito. 99%, if not 100%, ay made in China. Pero minsan okay na yun, di ba? I'll show you. Tulad ng mga napansin ko, mayroon kang compressed air, yung tank. Ito yung mga bala niya, kung ano, may pang grind ka, may pang linis ka, liha, pang cut. Ang dami ditong selection. Of course, they're all made in China, pero minsan it gets the job done. Number one kasi ako na mahilig sa made in Canada and US. I'm number one fan. Pero minsan maganda rin magkaroon nito. Lalo na pag naglilinis ka ng mga surface ng sasakyan, kahoy, bakal. Ang dami nila, oh. Look at all this. Ito mga stripping disc. Talagang it will strip away the paint, the rust, diba? Tsaka itong mga grindstone to. How you doing? Alright. 2-inch. I'm looking for 2-inch. Okay, let's move on. So maganda dito, ito lang portion na to. That one. Meron din sa belt, kung may panghina, yan yung belt, diba? I don't have that machine eh, yung belt driven. They have that different kinds of texture or yung roughness, pinakang rough hanggang sa pinakang fine. Dito naman ay of course jack stand. The bigger the jack stand, the better. Pero minsan yung budget natin hindi tayo allow nun. Pero I think ang pinakang safe, kahit kotse ang gamit mo, 2 ton will do. Pero I think pinakang umpisa mo ay dapat 3 ton. Kasi you never know kung sinong gagamitan mo, di ba? Minsan gagamitin mo yun sa mga excuse me, sa mga kaibigan, like they have SUV, van. 3 ton is good. And
3 tons. Your price? Doesn't say, right? It's 3.5 tons.
That's the one.
3 tons. You know, Canadian Tire is 114.
Really?
Tons.
Yeah.
114 today.
Oh, price these days? That's a good price.
Just a good price, I would
For
say.
3 ton, right? Yeah. I tell my friends at least start with 3 ton. I mean, there's 2 ton out there, but I have a 3 ton at home.
Me too. I have a
Yeah.
2 tons. I find it's not good.
Yeah.
I imagine I have one at least 3 tons.
2 ton can lift it.
Yeah.
The problem is, you know, like people, right? I can lift 300 pounds, but I'll be laboring. Well, a 3 ton will be easily. And plus, you never know. A family has SUV, van, right?
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right.
So
You know,
I'm showing this to my friends. So
this one I'm talking about, like an entire. Just to see the flyer, I'm going to probably going to look at it. It's 3 tons. It's a big. I think it's a big red also, and then it's higher. It's just higher. It's not normal. This is normal height, maybe.
Yeah.
That one is. See the flyer, go to Canada.
Yeah.
See,
Are you talking about low profile?
low profile? Are you talking low profile? Or are you talking about big car?
Usually those are expensive one, the low profile. Right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're expensive.
Yeah, I'm looking for one of
Yeah.
this. But that's the one
I
going
don't-
to Canadian Tire.
I don't think the Canadian Tire has the big red because I'm always there. They have the what is this? Their brand.
It's kind of red. What's the name?
What is that? I know that by tip
Yeah,
of my
yeah,
tongue.
yeah.
But this one here I can only find in Part Source.
About so.
But Part Source and Canadian they're the same, right? They're the same.
yeah.
It's a sister company.
Yeah, yeah.
So, but again, no. Good luck. Well, good luck looking for one.
Well, one thing I noticed, they use feet to raise it up, right?
Yeah,
The other one probably you
yeah.
handle.
I never own one, but I see that being handy. But I don't know if it's worth the money and the effort. But I'm a believer if there are more parts
Yeah.
that's working for you, there's a
Yeah.
chance that it will break down too, right?
Yes, that's right.
But if it comes, I'm sure that will help some people. But I don't know if it's worth it.
Yeah. I have a low car, a Japanese low car.
What's your car?
Fit.
Oh my, this is overkill for the Fit.
I know.
Yeah, your 210 is will.
210 is fine, but I have it for many years, and I figure out.
What's the name of the brand? What's the name of the brand of your? Well, it doesn't matter. 210 is more than enough for the Fit. I know Fit.
Mine is 210 is fine, but I have for several years. I figure out just $114 for 3 tons, kind of unusual.
That is good.
Yeah,
that is
that's good. And then besides it's raised higher than the normal one. That's what I like.
Yes,
Right?
that's a great.
It doesn't say raise higher, this one, but the other one says raise higher.
Yeah.
You know, the stick is wrong,
Yeah.
right? That is, it may help.
You know what? It will help for bigger like SUV because they're already high, right?
Yeah.
Whenever I had that kind of problem, I need to raise it more because I did change pickup trucks before.
Yeah.
I just put a log on top of the of this.
Yeah.
I just put a piece of wood.
Yeah. You can put a 2x4 there.
2x4 about.
Yeah.
That's typically
Yeah.
two more inches more than enough. And
You know what I put?
what?
Hockey puck.
Yes, I have hockey puck too.
You know, rubber, right?
Yeah, I found out online. I don't know if you watch Scotty Kilmer. He did recommend that. Well, good luck, sir.
Yeah. So you're very handy then.
I do all our cars, or 7 cars, the whole family.
Yeah.
So I'm always
Oh,
here. 7 cars, twice a year, because winter tires, spring and fall. You gotta change it. I have 2 more cars to change.
Because I change my own oil.
Yes.
That makes a whole difference.
Yes.
I change my oil because, you know, sometimes you go out and there, even though because it's not more money, but you change oil, you feel calm. It seems very frequent, 3,000 or so.
That is the problem with the new generation now. They and also when they see me changing oil, and they say, "Why don't you have the money? Why don't you just change it?"
Exactly, that's what people say. Yeah.
But if you do it, you know your car better.
Yeah.
You know, it's better that way.
Oh, yeah.
Except a total stranger, you're paying them and you're not sure.
That's
You're
true,
not
that's
sure,
true.
right? It's another story. If you really are sick and can't move, yeah, pay the guy. But you're still able.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, knowing that you accomplished something and
Yeah.
it feels good, you know.
Oh,
And,
yeah.
So, nasa na ba tayo ngayon? Oh, Joby. Sino bang may motor sa inyo? Si Uragon may motor. Ito ba sa motor? Ito lang ayoko, binubuksan nila eh. Yeah, sa motor to. 219. Alam nyo sa motor, yun ang una ko natutunan sa Pilipinas. That was in the 90s. Meron akong Yamaha RS100. I assume yung 100 is 100cc. Yung mga pan-tricycle. Back then, familiar yung Yamaha at Kawasaki, di ba? And man, so bukas na to, knowing na nakakapag motorsiklo ko noon pagpunta ko ng high school nako, napaka-feeling kong sikat. Yep, sa mga matatanda na rin dyan, siguro naalala nyo yung Yamaha 100 RS100, yung mga pinanta-tricycle noon. Okay, jack stand. Always go with a bigger one that you can all the bigger. Minsan hindi rin maganda kasi kailangan mo i-raise yung car mo ng mas mataas. Pero start with a 3 ton. This is 2 ton. 2 ton is good, pero I would go with 3 ton. Plus hindi ako nagbabay ng power fist eh. If you can move a little bit higher, tulad ng Max, yung mga Max, I forgot the Max. Oh, what to call it? On sale siya. SLP light tripod, flex tripod mount with phone holder. Alin dito? Ay, nako. Meron ako nito, kaso nasira nang inisprayan ko ng brake cleaner. Nagtanggalan sila yung mga parang vertebrate na yan, mga spine. Naghiwa-hiwalay sila. Ang lakas ng ano ko pala nung nilinis ko ng brake cleaner, which is not very smart. Okay, kailangan ko to pag mag-oil change. Malapit yung para may lagay ko yung phone sa ilalim ng kotse. Maiksi lang to. Okay. Ba't kumuha ka na rin ito?
Para sa mga bata.
Okay.
Kasi sila. Ako na pa rin sa'yo.
Okay.
Ito lang siya eh.
Okay.
Ako ito.
Bakit?
Kakaiba.
Bakit malandi?
Ano?
Universal Octopus Flex. Ayun ang gusto ko. Nasaan to? Magkano to?
11.
Okay.
Ano to? Sa mga bata itong maliit.
Ayun ang gusto ko. Teka, tingnan ko.
Isa tayo kasi kinukuha mo lagi yung binibili.
Ba? Yeah, mas maganda to ah. Yeah. Universal Octopus Flex Tripod. Okay. $11. Balik ko na ito. Pang refill ng AC, pang fix refill, gauge manifold pag mag-reload kayo ng at mag-clear kayo ng AC ninyo. This is very useful, itong flexible hose clamp sa mga pag nag-install replacement ng radiator. Don't buy these gauge, get the good ones na ito, more accurate. Of course, kailangan nyo malaman kung anong klaseng pampalamig yung inyong ilalagay sa freezer, sa inyong aircon, AC. Marami na kasi dito tulad ng that one. Kung mag-aayos kayo ng sarili nyo sakyan, Bodyworks dito, perfecto. Kasi ito, katulad ito, removal tools. Meron ako nito pero kailangan ko bumili ng bago dahil nawawala na iba. Pero maganda tong kasi plastic to, so hindi masisira yung mga plastic ko. Magtatanggal kayo ng pintuan at mga dashboard. Mga example lang yon, may iba pa. Marami silang uri. Tsaka pag magmamasilya kayo, halimbawa may dent yung sakyan, kayang-kaya nyo yan kasi nagawa ko na yun noon. Wala akong experience noon. That was 2017 or 2018 nung una kong ginawa yan. Of course, natutunan ko yan dahil may nag-guide sa akin. And then later on, tumingin ako sa ibang mga videos. Pero yung talagang malaking bagay sa akin, may nag-guide sa akin ito. Na he does at AutoWorks, Bodyworks. Kahit walang magtuturo sa inyo, kaya nyo turuan ng sarili nyo. Trust me. Tiwala sa sarili, safety in mind, common sense, at patience. Kayang-kaya yan. Pinoy yata kayo. Ito yung naalala kong binili ko, bando, tsaka yung bando mismo, which is this. Titimpla lang kayo nito and then i-apply ninyo sa katawan ng maraming proseso. Linis muna, liha, and supply nito. Meron pa kayong steps na gagawin eh. Lilinisin mo yung surface. Maybe spray the dents. And then Bondo. How much? Kung mahilig kayong mag-fishing, look at this machete. Itong machete nila, oh. That's nice. Pag ganitong kamura, $35, usually yung mga bakal nito eh hindi kagandahan. Pero it's good to have mga isang gamitan, dalawa, pag hindi araw-araw. If you're to fishing, ito yung aisle na to. Pellets, they sell guns here too. I'm not sure guns, pero arrow, parang Canadian Tire, they sell guns, mga hunting rifles. They're not really may mas maganda pang quality dito, like pupunta kayo sa Bass Pro, those are magandang store yun. Pero pag yung mga magka-camp kayo, kailangan nyo ng madalian, parang Canadian Tire, mga murang products. Tandaan nyo, all these are made in China. Pero they will do. I really don't like mga made in China kapag kailangan kong mag-rely sa kanila, tulad ng sa mga kotse, mga tools, pang matagalang gamitan, then doon ako sa quality talaga. Pero pag mga ganito, mga steaks, maybe pang barbecue, you know, hindi masama, lalo na sa presyo. Camping, hunting, outdoors, recreational. Oh yeah, camping guns, recreational. Bike. I'm sure may kabila, meron pa sa kabilang aisle, pero alis na kami, si Mrs. nakapila na doon eh. Kaya just wanna show you kung ano yung ino-offer ng Princess Auto. Napakarami. So sa mga tires, camping gears, pang kotse, mga tools, mga machines, pang woodwork, yardworks, napakarami pa. Even heaters, fans, at napakarami. So check it out. Okay, Joby, kung mahihilig ka sa mga ganitong tools eh. So let me know kung meron kayo dyan sa lugar ninyo. Ay, perfecto dito sina Rose at sina Dadong. Oh, ito yung paborito ni Mrs. Toolbox. Hindi to mga luma, mga bago to. Yung toolbox na pang army, ay plastic na sila. They don't have the old ones. They have the old ones, pero parang pre-manufactured na to. Yung mga 50 caliber na guns nung una, di ba? This is bago na to. Hindi na to authentic. Hunting gears. I know this is very warm. Oh, not this one. May isa pa sila eh. High visibility. Kailangan niya sa mga outdoors kung madalas kayo sa mga ang socks naman, always look for yung kapag lalo na pag winter, yung wool. If it's wool blend, kailangan mataas ang porsyento ng wool. This looks like cotton. Pag cotton, maganda sa summer. Winter guy kasi ako eh, so I always look for wool. That's not my brand too. Marami akong palakol. This is good to have sa kotse rin kung wala kayong chainsaw daladala. This can cut this garden handsaw. May mas malaking ito, mas magandang version na pang wood, sakaling minsan advice ko na meron kayong pamputol ng kahoy din kung lalo outdoor kayo, yung nag-off-road kayo or camping, maganda rin may handsaw kayo, yung natitiklop na ganito. And this for gardening, mga maliliit na mga twigs. I'm talking about the other version, the better version of this. What else? Screwdrivers. Okay, yun lang. Ito kumukuha ng mga tools ko sa mga air tools ko, pero slowly pumupunta na ako sa electric cordless tulad ng Milwaukee. Kaya pag nag-iipon ako ng pera, kumukuha ko ng mga Milwaukee tools. Battery na ako slowly. I'm a 12 volt guy na, and then gradually pupunta ako ng 18 kasi ang most gamit ko ay gamit ko sa mga machines ko tulad ng lawn mowers at snow blowers, and then kaya naman ng mga tools ko yung mga Milwaukee tools sa mga kotse tulad ng lug nuts and mga brake jobs. Pero magandang magkaroon din ito kasi meron ka pa rin, air is air, magpapump ka ng tires mo, and kailangan pa rin ng iyong compressed air mo, compressed tank, compressor. Tama ba? Hindi ako makapag-isip ngayon pag nagre-record kasi yung utak ko nandito sa mga tao, nahirapan pa rin ako. Kaya ang simpleng salita tulad ng drills, tulad ng sockets, hindi ko maisip, minsan nagbablock ako, kaya pamali-mali ang mga salita ko. Pero you guys, naiintindihan nyo siguro ako sa mga nalala nyo yung mga baguhan kayo, masyado kayong mahiyain, at least karamihan sa inyo. Something about mga sockets na malalaki, natutuwa ako pag ito ang mga pag itim, ito yung almost cast iron to, hindi man cast iron pero heavy duty to. Ito yung mga pang impact guns, para kasi mataas ang torque at pwersa, hindi ito masisira unless, kaya yun ang dapat gamitin nyo pag itim. Okay, make sure na is rated para sa impact guns ninyo, even yung mga extension nila ganun din. Kasi kung gagamit kayo nito, itim ito pero I don't think pang impact to kasi very light. I can tell very light siya hindi sila solid yung katulad nito. So this is almost like plastic like. Ito hindi to pang impact, so ingat kayo ha, kasi this could blow sa mukha ninyo They're expensive, they all add up pag paisa-isa kayo at aabot kayo ng 1,000. Pero pa konti-konti hindi nyo mararamdaman yon. Kailangan nyo naman Itong kaibigan ko, pag nagtatanggal ako ng kalawang, lalo na yung aming azotea, kita nyo naman yung kalawang, diba? Titirahin ko yan one of these days, lalo na sa summer. Priorities lang. Pagtanggal ng rust, pang cut, I think 4 inch to yeah, so 4 inch. Meron akong grinder, hindi pa pudpudyog sa akin this is for like sandpaper. Meron silang this is the one, pang cut. So much. Okay, alis na ako, hinihintay na ako ni Mrs.
What were your problems to install?
Di ba si Mrs.? Oh, nandito siya. Hanggang sa muli. Meron pa kayo dyan sa Pilipinas? Very small. Very small. Very small. Dito no? Bago kami umuwi ng bahay, dumaan si Mrs. Dito sa popular na store sa Freshco. Dito sa lugar namin, kumuha siya ng ito kasing Asian market dito meron sila lagi ng yung mga paborito nating mga halaman tulad ng lara, okra, palaya, kamatis, sitaw. Doon ka madaling makakita. Mukhang namumulaklak na to. Ano ba ito? Pepper Big Berta. Narinig yun na yun sa mga nagtatanim yung Big Berta, di ba? Yung pepper. Ito namang maliliit na to. Alam kong maliliit siya. At matagal itong mag-fruit, magbunga. Pero paborito ni Mrs. to beef steak tomato. Ito yung malalaking tomato, diba? Sana malinaw kasi malabo yung mata ko pag naraman ni John na bumili kami nito, magagalit yun kasi puro kamatis, napakarami niyang kamatis. Na ito para sa aming hardin sa harap, bigonya at saka kangkong yata to, di ba? Kangkong kinakain sa atin, di ba? Pero dito palamuti. Maganda to pag lalo sa hanging basket. Ano pa ba? Kailangan natin lagyan dito ng angkla or para hindi siya matumba, di ba? Oopsie. Magagamit ko na yung aking tripod. Ano pa ba? Wala na. Wala ko pa sagutin yun. Beep, beep. Little tip. Lagi kayong maglagay ng isang box laan para sa inyong mga konting tools, belts, at fluid na mga sakyan ninyo. Para put ng put para just in case of an emergency. Ice in case of emergency may magamit kayo kasi kalimitan ang mga nasisira sa atin minsan napipix ng mga supplies ninyo, tools nga, fluids, low-in fluids, diba? Ito yung nakita ko sa Canadian Tire. Kinover ko na ito pero di ko in-upload ito yung for case of emergency nga magagamit nyo. Malilit pa yung mga bata, meron na kami nito kung di kayo makakita ng washroom. Habit na namin yan. Simula na nagkaroon kami ng unang baby, ang aking juniorita. Alright, hanggang doon na lang. Uwi na.